And welcome back to Acting from the Hip, a place to learn, challenge, and grow your acting toolbox. I'm Josh, and I hope you're having a great day, great month, great week, great hour, great something. What am I going to talk about today? If you clicked on the thumbnail, I have no idea what I'm going to make the thumbnail at this point. So the big question is, do I need to go to college, university to become an actor? No, the answer is no. The answer is no, unequivocally no. You don't need it. You don't need it. But it's not a bad idea. And here's why. Now hear me out. Because I'm sure there's a small group of you who will shut this video off, turn around, and go marching out into the wilderness that is the audition minefield, and not really know what's going on and not set yourself up for success. Okay, that's your choice. For me, taking classes as an adult in the sphere of a higher education institution was great. Now, is it for everyone? No. But I had already worked before I went back to school to become an actor, and my experience was really good. And I changed my major from what it was, and I was like, this is what I want. This is what I love. This is what I really want to be a part of my life. Bam. Took classes, did the thing, got the degree, went into the world. I felt quite prepared. I'm not going to lie. I felt quite prepared. Did I stop taking classes after I got a degree? Hell no. Absolutely not. Wow. The whole idea of becoming an actor is, at least for me, I feel like I'm always in the pursuit of knowledge. I really want more understanding about the world around me, and I really want more opportunities to speak truth, my truth, or the author's truth, or whatever. How am I going to do that? I'm going to be able to do that with more knowledge and understanding. How do I get that? Interaction with other people in classes doing projects. I'm going to get that from lectures. I'm going to get that from scene studies. I'm going to get that from actually being on set or on stage working and learning and growing, right? All of those things together will leapfrog your skill. The point is, don't bite off your nose to spite your face. And it's something that a lot of young actors do. They will completely shut off the idea of taking classes at any point or any level. In my opinion, that's not a good idea. I'm not saying it's wrong. I just don't think it's a good idea. Because what if you go into a class and you click with a group of people and then you start making content? You start doing your own thing. That's great. You wouldn't have that opportunity if you just shut yourself off and just tried to bang out auditions. Right? Acting, theater, film is a collaborative industry. It's a collaborative art. And what better way to find like-minded people than going to workshops, going to seminars, going to classes to learn something new and to improve your toolbox? Because who says you get a job and then the actor goes, yeah, I love everything you're doing, turns his back and just kind of, no. Most directors don't do that. I mean, when I've directed stuff, I've just kind of, no, I'm not a terrible director. I'm not micromanaging. but I definitely want what I want. And that being said, like, sometimes you might need to pull something out of your toolbox that you are, you know, didn't know you had, right? Like, in a scene, and one actor is a hardcore Meisner actor, which is cool. That's their thing. But if you've never done a Meisner class, that is very difficult and weird to navigate around. Like, if you have no concept of it whatsoever. So, cultivating that skill and that knowledge, it should never go away. Do you need a degree? You do not. But the pursuit of knowledge should still be there. And you should be willing to continue education some way, some shape, some form. That's it. That's it. Like, that's all. That's it. That's all I got. I really don't have anything else to say other than don't pass up a learning opportunity. And here's a life hack that all you kids are saying. I like cheat code, but yeah, life hack. Everything is a learning opportunity. Everything is a learning opportunity. You have the ability to learn and grow in just about every situation if you have the right mindset. It's weird to kind of shift from one way to another. A lot of actors already have this mindset, but there's quite a few that don't. Yeah, that's it. So, that being said, I want to thank you for taking the time and watching this video. And I also want to offer my services as a personal coach. I can do, help you with some mindset stuff, audition techniques, even, theater techniques, performance techniques. I've been around the block. So please feel free to reach out at Big Rev What on Twitter or Instagram. That's all I got. I know it's weird, but it's a simple question with an even simpler answer for me. And if you have any questions, please drop them in the comments below. And I would love to answer more of your questions. Someone asked me to if I was going to start talking about different acting styles and why they're important and where some good things can be used. Those are coming up. Yeah, please. Suggestions welcome. Again, thanks for watching. Have a great day. And yeah, it's okay to shoot from the hip. It's okay to act from the hip.